Need to track a Canada Post package? In this quick guide, I'll show you the main ways to check your parcel status, whether you have a tracking number, a delivery notice card, or tracking details from an online store. The easiest way is to use Ship24. Go to the tracking page and enter your Canada Post tracking number in the search field. Then, click the search button. Ship24 will show the latest available tracking update, including the current status, delivery progress, and any carrier handoff updates if the package moves through another courier or postal service. You can also track directly on the Canada Post website. Open Canada Post's track page, enter your tracking number, delivery notice card number, or reference number, then select Track. If Canada Post left a delivery notice card, use the 15-digit number printed above the barcode. This can show where and when to pick up your parcel, along with any ID requirements. Another option is the Canada Post app. You can save tracking numbers, scan barcodes, receive delivery updates, and check delivery details from your phone. If you ordered from an online store, check your shipping confirmation email or your order history. Many sellers include the Canada Post tracking number there. If you still cannot find it, contact the sender and ask for the tracking number or reference number. One thing to remember: Canada Post tracking is based on barcode scans. If your status has not changed for a while, the parcel may still be moving between facilities or waiting for the next scan. To track your Canada Post package, enter your tracking number on Ship24 or use Canada Post's track page, mobile app, delivery notice card number, or store tracking details. Visit ship24.com for more tracking guides.